Hi, this is Rajesh from Rustic Travel. So I'm in Baku right now, and we are doing a Baku night tour with Dr. Abdullah, who is a doctor by profession and who takes people on Baku tours, be it walking tours or guided tours. So I have been with Dr. Abdullah. This is the second day I've been with him, and he is a fantastic guy. I mean, he took us through the entire history of Azerbaijan and Baku. And I mean, it is something, the way he explained it is still in my mind. And I don't think I'll ever forget it. I mean, that's one of the greatest things when you meet a good guide. Second is he's a great conversationalist. I mean, you can talk to him about anything and he will answer it with a deep understanding of the subject and logic. And above all, he's a fantastic human being. I mean, that's what I realized these 2 days. So, Doctor,
Hello, everyone. I'm Abdullah, and I would love to share the story about the past, the present, and the future with you. It's a city I love. It's a city I have so many memories in. I'm passionate about. I would love to meet you here. If you're from India, specifically from Bangalore, get in touch. Let's meet. And right here, we are on the Baku. And this is the eternal flame that commemorates, internalizes the memory of the martyrs who fell for the freedom that we all enjoy here in Baku. And what a better way to eternalize their memory than fire? As you might well know, we are in the land of fire.
so thank you, Doctor. So, if you are coming to Baku, be it from Rustic Travel, be it any other company, do get in touch with Dr. Abdullah. He's one of the finest guides in the world, that much I can tell you. Thank you so much.